Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2021 Mahindra Pik Up, stock number 6901. It's ran from the 5th 2021 to the current shape. It has an HG94 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the HG94 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch fat mag tyre. Front bonnet. Left rear 16-inch fat mag tyre. Right rear 16-inch fat mag tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 16-inch fat mag tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,